Now, every time you touch an emoji, you can make $30. Yeah, that's right. And when you touch it again, you can make $60. And now let's try it. When you touch this emoji for 10 times, it's possible to make $300, and there is absolutely no limit of how much money you can make. You can make whatever you want to, whenever you want to, by simply using your mobile phone or computer. And I know this sounds crazy and you might not be able to believe it, but when I show you this weird trick, you will understand everything. So I've spent so much time studying and learning exactly how everything works, and now I'm making this video to save you a bunch of time, so you can simply just watch this short video, copy my strategy, and then do what I do so you can start making money as soon as today. And one more thing, wait, because before I forget, this method is 100% free, so you don't have to spend any time or invest any of your money, so you can apply this method any country in the world. So guys, stay tuned and let's keep watching, because these emojis can make you a lot of money together. But make sure that before we start this today's strategy, that you go ahead and you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell for daily new money making videos, if you want to know and be the first one to get advantage of this. And as well, if you want to know my first #1 recommendation on how to make money online, click on the link on the description. I will send you all the information to your email address. So with that said, let's go back to the video and get started with today's strategy.
So the first website which I would like you to come today is called Flaticon.com, and this is a great website which I'm gonna show you different ways where you can start making profit from this website. So Flaticon, for those who you don't know, basically is a place that you can find all different type of images, and the good thing is they've got as well a free membership that you could actually try on, or as well they have a premium membership that you pay like $10 per month, and you got access to millions of different emojis and different icons that you can use for so many different things. You can help so many different businesses with it, and you will be able to sell it and make money with it. So the first thing which I would like you to do is I want you to come and log in. So you will click on register your account. You have to select which country are you in, and then once that you click on register, then you will log in into your account. If you have an account already, you just log in, but if more likely you don't, then you just have to add your username, your email address, or you can connect it to Facebook or to Google. Okay, so once that you are in Flaticon, you have already signed up with them, you're gonna go to this website which is called Flaticon.com generator. Okay, so have this website open. I'm gonna show you in a bit, but let me show you exactly, you know, how many access you have to so many different articles. Okay, so let me just quickly log in, because I want to show you how amazing this website is, you know, because if you don't know about it, then you're not gonna be able to utilize all the power. And as you can see here, you can see this is actually the generator that we will go in a minute, but I want to show you here all the different options, you know. And for example, they've got stickers for so many different animals, and you know that animals are something that are very, very popular. So let's have a look at some of them. So you can see here, and this looks actually very, very cool. So just keep watching until the end, because I'm gonna show you the type of things that you can start making and start becoming profitable from today. Okay, so it's just about taking massive action. So as I've mentioned it before, this other website that you can go, pattern color generator. Once that you click on try it now, you're gonna be able to come over here and start doing so many different things, and I'm gonna show you in a minute. You can go here and change the color, maybe to this color, and then we can go over here and we can start putting like different type of animals. Let's try to type something. Let's see what we can put here. So let's put animals. and then you're gonna see all these cute animals are gonna show up here, and then you can put it like that, and then you click on there, and then you're gonna see how nice this looks, you know, and you can just do it with the click of different buttons, you know. So now stay with me because I'm gonna show you all you can do. So I think this actually looks pretty nice, you know. I'm just gonna move it around, and then you can do all the different combinations that you want to do, you know. But then once that you have your favorite combinations, what you can do is you can put them together and start doing like a portfolio, you know. So once that you have your own portfolio, it's gonna be very easy for you to make a lot of profit. So next website I want you to come to is called 99 Designs. So 99 Designs is a great website where you can actually submit all your art and you are going to get paid for it. So it's absolutely amazing. You can come here, you can add your different graphics, and then you're gonna be able to get paid. You're gonna get paid when someone buys through the store. So this is one of the ways which I want to show you where you can start selling all your designs, you know. So once that you come over here, you can see all the different services that they offer and all the different type of products that you can be selling, and you can start making an extra income on the side. Because the good thing about this type of strategy is like once that you have implemented, it will work on their own because you will start to get traffic, and once that you get traffic, you just do the work and then you will get a good review, and this is how you start, you know, improving your profile constantly. So in order to sign up with this website, what you need to do, you need to come to the button and click on become a designer. So once that you are a designer over here, you're gonna be able to join this amazing community with so many different designers, and then you are gonna be able to submit your work. And when someone comes and buy from your image, then they're getting your image that you have made. So that's why you're gonna make a commission. And then how do you pay? Then you can see here, we know how tough it can be to chase down invoices. We keep payment simple by securing the full payment from the client up front. When the project is finished, we'll release the funds to you. So this is a very trusted website. So this is the reason why, you know, it's very effective, because if you go on your own trying to sell these designs to people, people are gonna try to tell you, well, let me pay you maybe at the end, and that's not gonna be convenient for you because you're gonna have to be chasing the payment constantly. No, with this website 99 Designs, that's everything for you. You know, you just do it, you know, bring your A game, get verified, applying to join a global design community today, work it, throw yourself into the content stream, and get matched one-to-one with quality clients that fit your skill set, and then earn it. And you will get some serious pineapples. We get payout more than 250 million to our designers today. And as you can see here in flat item, you can find so many different designs, stickers, and everything that you can actually imagine, and you're gonna be able to advertise it and market it, you know, on this website. So another website which I want to show you, which is great, is Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com here, if you come and put here like repeat patterns, you're gonna see all the different gigs that appear here, you know. And then this person has got 800 reviews, this person has got 300 reviews. So if you multiply for that, then these people are making a lot of money from all the designs. So what you can do is you could create different categories. You could do like your repeat patterns, okay, and then for example you could do like just looking for patterns. So then you can come here and just get an idea of what the people are doing, you know. And then you see this person has got 337 reviews, you know. So that's a great amount of money. They're making more than $3,000 a month. And you can put as well animal patterns, okay, and then once that you put here, you can see all the different patterns that you are going to be able to create with flat icon. You can get a free membership to try out, but even if you just pay $10 a month, you're gonna have so much access to so many different things. So you can see here all the patterns that you could create. So in order for you to do it, you just need to come over here and just become a seller. Once that you become a seller, then you are gonna be able to submit your gig. You can do it over here, and then as I showed you, you can come to 99 Designs and do it over here. So you can have like 2 ways of making money online. And once that you have set it, you can connect it to your email address. You're gonna get all your notifications, and then it will tell you exactly like when are you getting your orders, when are you gonna get paid, and you have it everything with the click of a button on your phone. So this is actually a great opportunity for you to jump start. Obviously, if you don't take action, you won't see any results, but if you take massive actions, I'm very convinced that you will be able to achieve great results with this strategy, which is very effective and is backed up by such a big brands. So by doing that, you want to be able to have a great income potential. So this is why you should do your profile on Fiverr and as well do it on 99 Designs, so you can have double opportunity to make more money. So obviously it might not come from the first day, but if you keep creating your designs or you keep uploading it here, as you see, like you're gonna be able to make like great amount of money. And you can see here in animal patterns there is no such a amount of competition, so it gives you as well a good opportunity for you to stand out, but you can try all different patterns. So this is all I wanted to share with you guys into this strategy, how you can start making profits by clicking different images, different emojis, creating your different portfolio and images over here. So with that said, guys, I just think that you should go for it and then implement it, and then once that you get the results, then let me know. So I hope that you enjoyed this type of videos. If you did, just please give me a massive like and subscribe to the channel, because that will really help the channel to grow. And additionally, if you want to make thousands of dollars per day, then go ahead and click on the first link in the description, because I will send you all the information to your email address so you can get started to make high ticket affiliate commissions from today. So with that said, guys, I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I will come very soon with the latest strategies of digital marketing. Take care and see you soon.